Good morning, friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, my friends and I are going to take you with us around the bubble tea capital of the world, Taiwan!
I'm standing outside of a bar, halfway around the world. I couldn't speak a word. That doesn't matter, 'cause when I looked at her, my heart fell through and
Dear passengers, welcome to Taiwan International Airport.
Hi! We're in Taiwan! Right? Tap?
Scan it.
Okay. Thank you.
Asa tabi?
Saan eh? Taipei. Ah. Papunta na kami ng Taipei main station, guys, but we're not taking this train because this is the commuter train. Around 50 minutes ang biyahe nito because it will stop at all stations. The one that we're going to take is the express train. Here's our train, guys. If you notice, merong purple strip ang express train. This is faster than the commuter train because it will only make 3 stops. Ang travel duration daw is around 35 minutes. So, tara. Grabe guys, sobrang laki ng park nila. Sana may ganito sa Pilipinas, no?
Please hold onto the handrail, mind your step, and do not let go of the luggage.
Nandito na kami sa hotel, guys, but pahirapan ng check-in. Apparently, they don't have a reception and it's a self-check-in. We're just waiting for further instructions. Magche-check-in kami and parang ano, ano yan, Crystal Mix, basta parang escape room, look for 307 and then, so yun,
Enter the code.
enter the code.
Please
When you
put the
open the
cash,
box.
credit card slip, signature.
Ayan na!
Oy, ibutang daw to ka na siya ay katong
Inside the box.
signature.
Ano yun?
Katang-tanga tong imong
Ay, tanga pala yun.
Yo, wag yun na to po na. Not following instructions.
Ang following instruction. Escape room na talaga
The
ito.
room will be cleaned every 4 days. If you need supplies, please let
Ayun na.
us know 11.
Balik na natin. Check-in na. Level 3 complete.
Ibusin yung gabit sa...
Yeah, nice. Yeah, looks like it's gonna rain. Golly,
Dinner muna kami dito, guys, sa Hungkan Dim Sum bago kami mag-ikot-ikot sa Ximending.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Grabe, sobrang sarap ng siomai nila. Pangalawang order na namin to. It's really a must try.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't dream myself. That's the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just
Guys, nandito kami sa Ximending. Gusto sana namin itry yung boba milk tea, kaso ang haba ng linya. Nakakaloka. Next time na lang kita ito try. Tingnan natin kung may madaanan tayo bukas. Nasa wishlist ko tong 327 ng New Balance. Tingnan natin kung may size ako. Ayan na guys, ito na. Mayroon akong size. Naku, mabubudol na naman ako nito. Ang ganda kasi ng style niya. It's so clean and simple and super comfy pa niya. Mas mura siya dito guys compared sa Pinas. So hashtag when in Taiwan. Andito kami sa 7-Eleven guys. Kumuha ako nitong Lay's truffle flavored chips. Sabi nila masarap din daw tong papaya milk. Sige, add to cart natin.
you're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you
Good morning guys! It's our second day here in Taiwan and bago kami umalis, I'll take you on a room tour. So we are staying here at Wating Stay and nabook ko siya via booking.com. We booked a duplex quadruple room for just 4,140 NTD. Bali dalawang floor siya. Sa baba is the lounge area where you can hang out or watch TV or put your luggages. Pasensya na kung medyo magulo ha. Hindi na kasi ako nakapag-room tour kagabi dahil sobrang hassle ang check-in process. Pero in fairness, bumawi sila sa room ha. Super love ko yung bathroom nila. Malinis, spacious, and then meron din silang built-in bidet sa toilet bowl. And I love their shower area. Ang lakas ng water pressure, nakaka-relax talagang maligo. Pwede mo pang i-adjust ang water temperature, either hot or cold. And then kung nakalimutan mo magdala ng soap and shampoo, don't worry, meron din silang soap and shampoo dispenser. Next, akyat tayo sa second floor where the bedroom is located. O diba, ang unique ng hotel room layout nila. Perfect talaga to for group travelers. And here's our bedroom guys. O diba, ang laki, super spacious. Say hi, May! And guys, each side of the bed may socket for you to plug your gadgets. And the beds are full-size bed. Pero parang nga siyang queen eh. Then meron din siyang TV, a long desk, hair dryer, electric kettle, coffee and tea, and a fridge. Overall, I would still recommend this place for those traveling in groups. Pero kung wala kang patience and may kasama kang seniors, I suggest you book somewhere else. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa hotel ng isa pa kaibigan namin. We're going to Yong He Soy Milk to have breakfast. And then after taking breakfast, we'll go around the city na. Say hi! Ang dress code namin today is... Ay, ang dress code namin today is dress. It's a dress day for us. See you guys later! Guys, ang sarap ng weather today. It's 20 degrees Celsius. Parang aircon levels lang. This is radish with egg. Ano siya ganin ni? Parang with ham. Something.
This one,
The soy milk,
I think
salt
this is
soy
chick-
milk,
This is chicken and egg,
chicken and egg mantou,
and then
sweet soy
the
milk,
fried bread,
fried bread,
and then
xiaolong bao, sticky
sticky
eggs,
rice.
egg and pork sticky rice roll, Putumaya. I think that's it. And then, ano to? Murag, ano, gyoza-like dumpling. Egg pancake scallion. Ayan. Hub-hub na ito. Taiwanese breakfast. Muchog taho. Savory siya.
Pancake na naitlog.
Damihan ko ano? Radish. Sarap ng radish. Let's try the xiaolong bao. Xiaolong bao. Tampis yun.
Ilang sauce?
Egg scallion pancake.
Radish? Parang may puto.
Para siyang parasa.
Ha?
Para siyang parasa.
Ano something of bread?
Yeah, basag na, no?
Flake pancake with egg and ham. Sesame like, sesame taste, no? With sesame taste. Sweet soy milk.
Okay, cold mo na, no?
Sweet, really hot na siya. Lami.
Fried donut.
Fried donut.
Kakoy.
Okay, let's try this. Mantou with chicken and egg. Juicy ang chicken, no? Spicy gamay ang chicken, no? Sarap din nito, guys, oh. With pork floss, egg and pork. Guys, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. And I really recommend that you should try having Taiwan breakfast. Experience mo talaga yun. Ang sarap. Sarap. Lalo na yung sweet soy milk. Grabe. Refreshing and sakto na yung tamis niya. Kung mahilig ka sa taho, magugustuhan mo yung sweet soy milk. Yung salt soy milk or savory soy milk, hindi ko masyadong bet. Yung scallion, yun, order nyo yun, yung egg scallion pancake. And then, ano pa ba yung gusto ko doon? Yung radish cake, masarap din for me. Bucket list check na namin talaga yung Taiwan breakfast. So ngayon, start na ng city tour namin. Ay, sarap talaga ng weather today. Hindi mainit, hindi maalinsangan. So, see you later!
Did you really think one night could let me down? Girl, you know you're the one I want.